Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Bigg Bag is probably one of the most versatile and essential items for any home or office, offering unparalleled convenience and organization for a wide range of needs, from storing seasonal clothing and bedding to managing clutter and even transporting items with ease, making it an indispensable tool for decluttering and simplifying your life. Number 5. Fit and Fresh Large Beach Bag. Introducing the Fit and Fresh Large Beach Bag, your perfect companion for sunny days. It's designed to hold all your essentials with ease. This tote offers an extra large capacity, making it ideal for beach trips, travel, or even everyday errands. You'll have plenty of room for everything you need. Stay organized on the go with its thoughtfully designed pockets. Keep your smaller items secure and easily accessible. Specifically designed for women, this bag combines functionality with a chic aesthetic. It's both practical and fashionable. Whether you're heading to the beach or embarking on a weekend getaway, this versatile tote is your go-to choice. Experience convenience and style. What we like? This tote is perfect for beach days or travel. If you need to carry a lot of items and want them organized, this is the bag for you. It's ideal for anyone who loves a spacious and functional carry-all. What people say. Massive capacity. This thing is huge. Towels, snacks, sunscreen, toys, books, and even a portable speaker all fit with room to spare. The water-resistant canvas feels sturdy and easy to wipe clean. I've set it down on wet sand and pool decks without any issues. The interior pockets are super helpful. 3 elastic pockets to hold bottles upright and a zipper one for valuables like keys or sunglasses. Number 4. VBN Replacement Roomba Vacuum Bags 12-pack. Ensure your robot vacuum works seamlessly with our replacement bags. They are designed to fit a wide range of iRobot Roomba models, including the I, S, and J series, as well as all clean-base automatic dirt disposal units. Experience superior cleaning with our high-quality bags. The advanced filter layers effectively capture 99.9% of dust and fine particles, ensuring a cleaner home environment. Say goodbye to dusty cleanups. Our bags are designed for easy, airtight disposal, preventing secondary contact with dust and eliminating dust clouds. Enjoy a cleaner home with less frequent maintenance. Each bag holds a large amount of debris, making it a perfect solution for busy households and pet owners. This package includes 12 replacement bags, a screwdriver, and a cleaning brush. Everything you need for hassle-free maintenance of your robot vacuum. We are here to help. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to us for a prompt resolution. What we like? Keep your robot vacuum running smoothly with these replacement bags. If you have a compatible iRobot Roomba model and want to maintain optimal cleaning performance, these are a great choice. They are perfect for busy households that want hassle-free maintenance. What people say. The bag is very durable and holds a lot of weight. The design is very practical, with multiple compartments for organization. It's perfect for travel, easy to pack and carry. Number 3. Women's DIY Charm-Compatible Silicone Crossbody Bag, Beige. Tired of plain bags? This crossbody bag lets you express your unique style with its fully customizable charm-compatible design. Effortlessly create a personalized look that matches your outfit and mood. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free food-grade silicone, this purse is safe, odorless, and built to last. Unlike other bags, it maintains its shape and texture even with daily use. Don't worry about spills or stains. The premium silicone construction naturally repels water and blocks dirt, makeup, and food stains, keeping it looking fresh. This slim vertical purse fits most smartphones and has dedicated space for your essentials like keys, cards, and lip gloss. It's the perfect size for your daily needs. The adjustable nylon strap offers versatile wear. You can wear it as a crossbody, over the shoulder, or even a compact waist bag, adapting to your comfort and style. Keep your belongings safe with the high-quality, snag-resistant zipper. It opens and closes smoothly, ensuring your valuables are securely locked inside. Maintenance is a breeze. Unlike fabric or leather bags, this silicone purse wipes clean in seconds with just water and a damp cloth. Even stubborn stains disappear easily. What we like? Express your unique style with this customizable crossbody bag. If you love to personalize your accessories and prefer a minimalist, easy-to-clean option for your phone and essentials, this is the perfect fit. It's great for those who want a chic and practical bag for daily outings. What people say. The bag is very sturdy and holds a lot of weight. The design is practical and easy to use. It has multiple compartments for organization. Number 2. PUMA. Discover the legacy of PUMA, a brand synonymous with athletic excellence and cutting-edge style. For decades, they have empowered athletes and fashion enthusiasts alike. Experience the pinnacle of athletic innovation. Each product is meticulously designed to enhance your performance, whether you're on the track, the court, or in the gym. Beyond the game, embrace a lifestyle of bold expression. Their designs blend iconic heritage with contemporary trends, making a statement wherever you go. It's more than just apparel, it's a commitment to pushing boundaries. Feel the confidence and drive that comes with wearing a brand that understands your ambition. Become part of a global community that celebrates sport, culture, and individuality. Step into the world of PUMA and redefine what's possible. What we like. This brand offers a blend of athletic performance and casual style. If you're looking for reliable sportswear or lifestyle accessories from a globally recognized name, this is a solid option. It's ideal for active individuals and those who appreciate sporty fashion. What people say. The storage space is great, and we especially love the separate compartment for shoes. It keeps everything clean and organized. This duffel bag offers ample storage space for all your gym essentials or travel gear. The durable polyester material ensures long-lasting performance, while the adjustable shoulder strap and dual carry handles provide comfortable carrying options. It has a separate shoe pocket which comes in clutch. Also noted, it is sliding waterproof. I took it inside the gym shower because I don't trust leaving it in the bag in the room changing areas, so it kept my clothes dry even after getting spritzed with water while I showered. Number 1. Simply Southern Large Tote Bag. Introducing the Simply Southern Large Tote Bag. It's the perfect accessory for any occasion, offering both style and functionality. This tote bag offers ample space for all your essentials. Its durable construction ensures it can keep up with your busy lifestyle. Whether you're heading to the beach, running errands, or going to work, this bag is designed to be your go-to companion. It effortlessly blends practicality with a charming aesthetic. Crafted with quality materials, this tote is built to last. You can trust it to carry your belongings safely and securely, day after day. Embrace the classic Southern style with this beautifully designed tote. It's an essential addition to your collection, reflecting a timeless appeal. What we like. This large tote bag is perfect for shopping trips or casual outings. If you appreciate a classic, roomy tote with a touch of personality, this one is a fantastic choice. It's best suited for those who need a dependable and stylish bag for everyday errands and activities. What people say. The handles have a hinge and easily drop down. The large, roomy size is perfect for taking large crochet projects. It is easy to clean, just use a damp cloth. It fits perfectly on the floorboard behind the car seat, so no worry of it tipping over. The size is very good with tons of space for towels and/or pool accessories to carry. Lightweight and holds up well with multiple use. Waterproof as well. The design is stylish. The handles don't twist and get tangled. They have hinge straps which keeps them ready and untangled at all times. Holds everything and great for water parks and beaches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.